We have got the most fun little project for you today. It's quick and easy, and it's such a good project. I just think, I love plaid pants. Plaid pants are all over the place. What I hate about plaids is sewing them. I hate matching them. They're not the most flattering because they're plaids, and so the lighter color's on the bottom, but I'm telling you, this project fixes all of that. It's awesome. So let me show you where I got the inspiration. First, I want you to look at this pant. This is Veronica Beard. It is, you can see that little black stripe down the side. So in the 700 series, and I know y'all haven't seen that yet, that we filmed, one of the reasons we added a seam embellishment was to buffer the exactness of plaids, of matching stripes or plaids. And so we had a guest on, an expert on, and again, one of the reasons for using a seam embellishment is to buffer the exactness of that plaid having to match. So that's exactly what's happening here. I'm using pattern 3413, and that was last month's POM. It's called the 5-piece Pocketed Yoga Pant. And so what you see here is that stripe down the side. That plaid does not have to be exact. It's amazing. So then I want to show you this next picture because you can see that it goes with this jacket. Now, I've got an outfit that I'm going to show you for Monday night. It's the POM for April, but we're going to leave that a surprise. So we're going to do the look, but not the look. So we'll show you that. Today is just the pant. So I love this black stripe down the side. I used 2117 was the fabric that I used. And then this plaid is number 2249. I used 2 yards of the plaid and just followed the pattern. That's all I did. It's really easy. There are a couple things I want you to see. We're going to zoom in just a little bit and show you an up close of where we did some top stitching right there where, you know, on the plaid. So that again is just because when I went and saw this pant in person, there was some top stitching there and I just really liked it. I slimmed the leg just a little bit. My total leg at the bottom is 13 inches. Totally up to you. But all you do is take just a little bit off every single piece. That's all the way around. Just take a little bit off every single piece until you're down to 13. You still want to lay it out at the bottom. With this particular fabric, this is a stretch woven. So you can see that there's yarns coming out. It's a stretch woven. It has great stretch going from selvage to selvage. So when you pull out your fabric, you're going to lay them, you know, selvage to selvage, not the lengthwise of the fabric, which is, you know, different, but that's okay. But it's got such great fabric, such great stretch. I did not change my size. So just keep in mind, depending on how much stretch you have, this is for a knit fabric, this is a stretch woven, and normally I would say adjust your sizing. But again, I didn't have to because it has such great stretch to it, and my insert is knit. Your insert doesn't have to be knit if it was woven, but again, just adjust your size. You still have to watch out that the whole plaid, you know, is going the right direction. But I want to show you, again, I'm going to show you kind of a close-up of the front, and you can see how nicely that matches right through the crotch. So that's a concern always with plaid pants as well as in the back. But this is just quick and simple and easy, and hopefully you'll get a great pair of pants. For me, again, the top is coming, so you'll see that. That's part 2 on Monday night. But an inserted pant, inserted black, very easy to do and just really stylish and really flattering. What I like about making this stripe wider, which is why I did it, is because when you look at the front, you can actually see both blacks come in and you look skinnier. The wider the black, the skinnier you look, which is why I made mine wide. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.